Welcome back to my vibe coding journey. Today I'm super excited because, as part of my EAG V2 agentic AI course assignment, I've built my own Chrome plugin called SecondBrain, powered by Gemini Flash 2.0. Think of it as your AI sidekick, living right inside your browser. And trust me, you're gonna love what it can do. Stick around till the end because I'll show you the coolest feature that ties everything together. Let's walk through every feature. First up, we've got Summarize and Explain. Imagine landing on a giant Wikipedia article and instead of drowning in paragraphs, you hit Summarize and boom, you get the key points in seconds. And if something's confusing? Just hit Explain and it breaks it down like you're 5. Super handy. Alright, let me show you how this actually works in action. I'll open up a Wikipedia page because let's be honest, those can get super long and overwhelming sometimes. So here's the Wikipedia page on artificial intelligence. Now normally, this is a huge wall of text, and it would take forever to go through all of it. But with my plugin, all I have to do is hit this Summarize button, and boom. It instantly gives me a clean, concise version of the key points. No scrolling through endless paragraphs, and if I find something that feels too technical, like this line here, I can just highlight it, click Explain, and it breaks it down into plain, simple language, almost like having a teacher sitting right next to me. So instead of getting lost in a giant Wikipedia rabbit hole, I can get the essentials, understand tough parts, and move on faster. Now let me show you some of the other cool features. Suppose I want to share this article with a friend who doesn't read English. No problem, I can just hit Translate, and it converts the content into another language instantly. For suppose I want to translate in German, and here does it job. So this works great if you're learning or working across languages. And check this out, if I'm writing notes or preparing an assignment, I can paste my text into the Improve tool. It polishes my writing, fixes grammar, and makes it sound more professional. It's like a built-in editor right here. Next up, Smart Highlights. Let's say this section looks important. I can highlight it, and instead of just saving the text, SecondBrain stores it with context, so I know exactly why I saved it. Perfect for research or studying. Next comes the Quick Notes, and sometimes I just want to capture key ideas while reading. That's where Quick Notes comes in. When I click on it, it instantly gives me a sticky note with a short, informative summary pulled from the page. Next one is the voice input, and now, let me show you reading mode. When I click on this, the whole article opens up in a clean new tab, stripped of all the extra clutter, no sidebars, no distractions. Just the content itself, in an easy-to-read layout. It's perfect if I want to focus and actually enjoy reading without all the noise around it. Now comes Smart Bookmarks. Let's say I find this article really useful and want to save it for later. Normally, I'd just bookmark the link, but with Smart Bookmark, it's way better. When I click this, it doesn't just save the link, it also stores an AI-generated summary of the page. So later, when I come back, I know exactly what the page was about without rereading the whole thing. And of course, I can see all of those in one place by going to View Bookmarks. Here, I get a nice organized list of all my saved pages, along with their summaries. It's basically a research library right inside the browser. Now for personalization, we've got themes. I can switch between default, dark, ocean, and sunset themes to make the plugin look the way I want. And right here, I can also tweak a few notification settings to get alerts that matter to me, while keeping things distraction-free. One of the most powerful features is analytics. It shows me exactly how I've been using the plugin, like how many conversations, bookmarks, notes, and highlights I've created, plus my usage trends over time. This helps me see patterns and stay on top of my productivity. And the best part? I can export these analytics, so if I ever need them for a report, research project, or just personal tracking, I can easily take all that data with me for further use. And finally, we've got conversation history. Here, I can see all my past interactions with the plugin in one place, every summary, note, or explanation I've asked for. And if I ever want a clean slate, I can just hit Clear History and start fresh. Super simple, super neat. So that's a full walkthrough of my Chrome plugin, SecondBrain, built as part of my EAG V2 agentic AI journey using Gemini Flash 2.0. From summarizing long articles, explaining tough concepts, taking smart notes, and distraction-free reading, all the way to smart bookmarks, themes, analytics, and exports, this Chrome extension really feels like having a personal AI assistant right inside the browser. It's been an amazing experience building this as part of my vibe coding journey, and I'm excited to keep improving it. Thanks for watching.